Hey everybody, this is Ms Fran and welcome again to another video class. In today's science experiment of Friday Penguin, we are going to be doing slime. I know how much you love playing with slime, so today I'm going to show you a very easy way to make them so we never run out of slime at home. So I'm going to change my camera and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So for this science experiment, we need a little bit of water, a little bit of soap, dish soap. I'm going to use Ariel this time because it's liquid. You can use any dish soap as long as it's liquid. We are going to use also painting, a little drop of painting or food coloring, and glue. So get ready, get your materials as I change my camera, and let's get ready to go. Okay, so here I have all my ingredients for this science experiment, or maybe objects that I'm going to use, and I'm going to proceed to put the glue. I'm going to here move a little bit for you to see me better. Let me fix the focus of the camera. So I'm going to start by adding the glue in my bowl. I'm going to use 3/4 or maybe a little bit more than half of my glue, and this is 225 grams. Okay, so now that I have this ready, I'm going to proceed to mix the dish soap, here it is, with the water. So I'm going to put some water here and I'm going to mix. So maybe you can use two or 3 spoons of dish soap and 1 of water. It should not be very liquidy. Okay, so now I'm going to add the coloring. I'm going to use painting to our glue to give it some color. You can use food coloring as well. And I'm going to mix. I hope you can see there. I'm going to mix. See? I'm using one of my popsicles to mix because it's easier. Okay, and now I'm going to start pouring some of the dish soap, and I'm going to keep mixing. You mix little by little. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to keep adding some more. I'm going to mix, 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 and mix. Keep mixing until this starts to take the form of a slime. So you just need to keep going a little bit more, and I'm going to show you how it looks. Okay, so in the end we're going to have this. I think I put a little bit too much of water in my solution, so maybe you can do half a cup of glue. You can do 4 spoons of dish soap, like not for to wash the dishes but the clothes, and maybe 1 little spoon of water. So here it is. This is our slime. It is very messy, but it look, it is a slime. So maybe when you try, you can add a little less of water, maybe a little bit more of dish soap, and voila. Wow, slime. I hope that you like this activity very, very much. Although it is a bit messy, I loved to do it, and see you in the next